So I asked just a bit ago if the children would like to continue to play. Do you guys still want to play? Okay. So if you still want to tap a cat ball, you can. You can activate the, oh, there you go. Right on cue. Awesome. So I knew part 3 was going to be fun. Okay, cool. Thank you. I knew you guys wanted to play. I knew it. All right. Thank you. Who was that? Can you tell me? Oh, yeah, I still have Spirit Talker on. I have a bunch of things said while I took a break. So thank you. I appreciate that, whoever did that, because again, it seemed like you wanted to play. Okay, so you did a cat ball. Could you do the ghost detector? I can't find my way.
I can't find my way.
Does a child need me to say a prayer for them? Or maybe we can get a spirit guide to help them? If you want me to get a spirit guide, to call it my spirit guide lineup, can you tap the ball again? And I'll go ahead and do my count, or call them out and see if they can help you. Or I could just do it now. So if there are any spirit guides, Rosemary, Mary Ellen, Walter, Patrick, maybe Alan, Ruth, Shauna, Jess. I feel like I'm missing some. If you guys can help somebody who said I can't find my way, that'd be awesome. I don't have a name, but maybe you can see them. If the spirit's here, please wave your hand high to let them know you're here and that you need help. And then if you guys did help him, can you let me know by maybe tapping on the cat ball to confirm that he's all, or she is all taken care of? If possible. Mine. Well, I did get fight beforehand, and it seemed like the children were still fighting. Are you saying that's going to be mine? That's my cat ball? Or is there a spirit guide saying, oh, I'll take care of this one. That's mine. I'll take care of him. Ah, so you're a child, like a specific one that's tied to children. So Jessie, or Jess? No, it's Jessie. Jesse. Jessie? Maybe? Rosemary? Jack?
Evil.
I saw something floating by. I was like, wee. Is there a spirit guide that pushes away evil? Is there one that also is tied to that? They make sure anything that's evil in that place, they take care of them? All right, so again, let's do a quick playground. In the 4 corners, if you can. I do apologize again. There's another round of someone driving by. It's really loud. I do apologize. And I thought they were all done. Please get out.
Please get out.
Huh. Are you saying this to me? Or to another spirit? Oh, they're telling the evil spirit that might be here to get out. The spirit guide's saying, get out. No, you get out. Aw. So you guys don't speak to me. on the Spirit Talker, sometimes you're letting me know what you're saying to other spirits. Ah, I got it.
Smith.
Smith. Avery Smith? Avery Smith. Who's 29 and 30-year-old from Elder Ballou Meeting House Cemetery. This is you? You just said your last name. Avery Smith. Yeah, oh shoot, I'm so sorry. It's a she. It's a daughter. So she's a daughter of Paul Smith and Prudence. She's a kind sister, thou hast left us to join thy friends above, to dwell in peace with Jesus, and feast upon his love. So, oh, Amy. Oh my God, did I say Avery? So Amy, is this you? Did you just come through? A-M-E-Y, Amy Smith, who was very young, 29, 30 years old. I don't know, I did make a connection with the Smith. Again, I don't know. I'm having eye problems here if I'm quickly seeing it. At least I felt like I said Avery for some reason. Maybe it is. I don't know. Feel.
Feel.
Well, I did feel somebody earlier. It was very cold on my arm, yet again, usually the left hand, right when I was trying to get them to tap the cat ball. And they told me to please move back, and I did. But they weren't.
Warfare.
Warfare? Oh. Again, there are some veterans there. So I just thought it's coincidence that as soon as I told them if they wanted to play, they did tap it, so that's good. They were having fun. All right, real quickly, I'm going to just be quiet for just a minute or two, just to see if anybody wants to do a quick tap in any of the corners, to play 4 corners. Sometimes it seems like you guys like that game. And hey, if you happen to go to the left corner, you might actually accidentally activate the ghost detector. And there's just a tad bit of a, I don't know, a tad bit of a colder sensation near my elbow. I don't know, maybe that's them. Oh.
Josiah.
Okay, are these people that are here? I mean, that's an old name. Are you flipping kidding me? You gotta be, what? Hi, Josiah Cook, right? So this is Reverend Josiah Cook. He was 82, 83, 1691 to 1774. He had children, and their names were Abraham, Josiah Cook Jr., Johanna Cook, Hezekiah Cook, Mary Cook, Cass, Mahitable? I don't know. Mehitabale, Cook Ballou, Abner Cook, and then Ann Cook Darling. His wife is Mary. I'm losing my voice. I'm so sorry. His parents are Nicholas and Johanna. Oh.
You are loved.
And he has a ton of siblings. A ton. Nicholas, Mary Cook, Anna Cook, Seth, Daniel, David, Abigail, and Noah. Holy crap, but wait, look, check this out. He is the brother of David Cook. Somebody who I went to. Why did I go to him? Because he was tied to Hannah Ballou Cook. That's right. Hannah, who was earlier in part 2. Huh. Maybe she's by Josiah. Cool. Such history there. Nice. See, I like how we get connections to the cemetery. Was any of the kids here from Elder Ballou? Like maybe one of them tapped the cat balls? Was anybody here from this cemetery? Tunnel.
Tunnel.
It's the second time I had tunnel. Did anybody travel through a tunnel to get here? All right, I'm still listening in case anybody does make any tapping and knocking sounds. Unless you guys are still trying to put your names out and say, hey, look me up. Was the one that tapped this one at the very beginning of this, was it a child?
Secret.
Oh, there's a secret? Oh, a secret tunnel? Because it said tunnel, then it said secret. There's a secret tunnel that the spirits take to, quote, like a portal to get back and forth. Wait, is there a secret tunnel that humans can see? But it's secret. Maybe it's like a tunnel in that area near the house where the house used to be, or the cemetery. Oh, I found you. Over there. Found a child, maybe. To the left by the ghost detector. So the one that tapped this one at the very beginning, was it a child? Can you use the EMF meter to confirm by going to yellow? Was it a child? Because we were trying to play a game. Or you know, let them play. Or was it Alan?
Closet.
Closet. Oh, yes, again. They were in the closet area. Yes, that's exactly where I scanned over there. You guys were over at the closet. You confirmed. Somebody was indeed in that closet area. Wait, did they hide in the closet? I mean, they can technically go through things. Anyways, I think either A, it was Alan. Alan, did you tap that finally? Were you able to tap that to let me know you were here? Maybe it wasn't a kid, but you? I'm waiting for yellow. Ron? A child that was here already? An adult? I don't know. Somebody did. Was it Smith? Did
Talking.
talking? I'm talking? Or they're talking? Okay, I'll let them talk. The kids are like, stop talking. I hope they don't go in the closet. It's a mess in there. So when they go and say closet, are they physically going in my closet? Because I didn't make a lot of room for them. Well, I'm protecting you.
I'm protecting you.
Well, I remember when I had that, it was my uncle who said that, Uncle Art. But maybe there are other spirits that also protect me? I don't know. Uncle Art, you here? Because it said I'm protecting you. Can you confirm maybe by tapping this ball? Is possible? That this is indeed Uncle Art saying, hey, I'm here protecting you? If possible. Does anybody want to scare me? What child wants to scare me? Maybe as a team effort. Do you guys all want to scare me? To the children that are here. I know you're still here. You always are. Do you want to scare me?
I need closure.
Oh. That's what I was trying to play. Who might this be? That needs closure? Can you say your name? Is it Alan? Alan, do you need closure? Maybe. It might be Alan. If you need closure, because again, he passed away very young. Very young, age 24. If you need closure, I can say a prayer after this. I hope that will help. It has helped others. I will definitely say a prayer for you to make you feel better. I don't know if it'll fix the closure issue, but it might help you feel more at peace. Maybe you won't be so gray if you are the gray man. Maybe you'll be like gray. I don't know. Okay, I'll do that. As soon as this is over, which will be probably very soon, because I gotta go and get ready to go out. Take care of some errands. But like I was saying prior to the I need closure, I was asking if the children wanted to scare me, like really scare me, make me jump out of my seat, scare. Do you guys want to do that? You guys want to scare me? All the children combined.
Expose.
Expose. You want to expose the truth, Alan? Somebody over there, possibly, left side. Do you want to expose, either you want to be seen, or you want to expose some type of lies or get the truth to come out? Or this is just a thing that came out. I don't know. All right. So what I was trying to say, if these children all combine with their energy, if they could, to that left side they keep going to, there is a white object that has 3 ghosts on it. You should be able to, hey, Alan, since you might be the gray man that makes shadow, could you create a shadow that will
Violate.
Violate? Huh. So I know that you mentioned shadow. You might be gray man. And that thing definitely interacts with shadows and light. So if you were to block the light currently...
I died.
I died. it would activate. Or the children do that. I died. Is this Alan saying this? So maybe something where, I don't know. I don't want to make things up. But I know he did unfortunately pass away at age 24. 1856. So here's what I got so far. Oh.
Guess where I am?
I'm hoping you're over there. Are you at the left corner? Left top corner? It's like a child saying it. It's usually the favorite spot for people or spirits. So if you're somebody saying that, I'm assuming you're at where the ghost detector is, because that's the last thing I suggested.
You are smart.
Oh, there I am. I knew it. I knew you were over there. Well, I mean, you can prove it by, hopefully this will go off for you. It's gone off for other spirits, hopefully. You can do. I basically heard a knock or like a thump over there.
Barn.
Barn. I'm pretty sure they had barns over there. But yeah, that was weird. Like after that, he moved over to the door. Did you guys move to the door? After I found you, did you like rush over to the door? Is that why I heard a thump? Or knock? Or whatever the heck that sound was? I almost sounded like the door got pushed. Like someone pushed on it. Almost as if they ran out. And their spiritual like wind made it go boop. Like I don't know how to explain it. You know when you have a door closed and it still has movement when, you know, it can still move and it makes a weird noise?
She shouts.
Oh, she shouts. Is this Amy? Amy, is that you? Amy Smith? I'll be right back. I'm going to try something. Okay, I'm going to take you with me.
Out.
Yes, that is hilarious. So wait, you guys were saying that you went out? Was I right that somebody whooshed out? That is so weird. So after you said, guess where I am, I found you, then you guys whooshed out. Somebody did. Okay, what I'm trying to do is have that sound again. I'm going to take you with me, take you to the filming. I'll be right back. Spirits. Oh, the ghost detector will go off. That's me. That's me. You have to wait in this lovely corner while you're here. Hold on. Okay, this is what I heard. That's what I heard. Again, here, listen. Oh, but not that loud. Anyways, that's what I heard. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to go back without activating Mr. You have to like really bend up. So, is there a tall spirit here? Wealthy. Is there a very tall spirit? If there is a very tall spirit, I think that's how you have to activate that ghost tube or the ghost detector. If you're about the height of me, See where I walked? I turned the corner and it activated it. So if you're about my height or get your spirit form to get that height, also you can get a little closer to it too. It might activate it. Maybe. But again, you told me where you were. I said, oh, you're probably at the left. And it said you were smart. During that time, I heard something like push on the door. And as you can see, we've been on this session for a while, and 2 others. That's never happened.
From the pit.
From the pit. Huh. So yeah. That's interesting. And the window is closed, so it's not that window. Because I had to keep it closed for the garbage people doing their loud pickups. Even with the door or window closed, it was still loud. So who did I find? Unless they actually left. Maybe a spirit can tell me who that spirit. Who did I find? Can you say their name? Was it Alan that I was told to guess where I'm at? Was it a child spirit? A child spirit, okay. So one of the children, was it a teenager? Or much younger? Was it in the 0 to like 5-year-old child? 6 to 12?
Broken.
Broken. Oh. Is the flashlight broken? Is Ron telling me the flashlight's broken? Here, let me make sure it's not broken. No, it's still on. He definitely did take a break. At least it's not broken. Whew. All right, well, again, this was supposed to be a quickie of fun. It seemed like someone definitely activated the cat ball. Very beginning. Awesome. Fun. And some names came through. Josiah and apparently Smith, which was Amy Smith. Anguish.
Anguish.
And apparently that's how I ended the other session. It seemed like I was agitating somebody. So maybe this is a sign for me to end the last part. All right. Vernon.
Vernon.
Vernon? No, there's no Vernon here. Nope, no Vernon last name. Is Vernon a new spirit? Like a name? Are you coming in, Vernon? I don't know. It sounds like a name. Ron? Hi. Hold on. Is Vernon a name? It said the name of a person, a city, a surname, or a company. So it could be many things. But he didn't come up. But like I said, I got to get going. It was fun. Hopefully the children had fun. Did you guys have fun? Can you let me know by going to the email? Burial. Yes, the Elder Ballou Meeting House Cemetery. So if the children had fun, can they go to the EMFMeter and go to yellow, if possible, 3 times? if you had fun. Because again, I would have left, but I gave you one more chance to have fun. Oh, well.
I passed peacefully.
Alan, did you put that down there as the way you passed? Are you letting us know you passed peacefully? Or is this Vernon? So basically a spirit passed peacefully. Wait, is this a child? Oh, so a child passed peacefully. That's good to know. I mean, sad that they didn't get to live a long life. Wait, Jacob? Sorry.
Go over there.
Go over there. Oh, what's over here? So I remember I had a session with my family member named Jacob, who passed away at age 13, who said he passed peacefully. Yeah. So I was right. It's Jacob?
We're gathering.
We're gathering. So unfortunately it said go over there. I thought they were talking about the ghost detector. But I did tell them to go and gather their energy to maybe activate it. So Jacob, is this you? Saying I passed peacefully. My family member? You're the one that set this off earlier? It's the same ball. I mean, it says we're gathering. Maybe it's family members? I mean, Grandpa Ray? Are you with Jacob and Alma? Maybe Betsy? Peggy? Are you guys here? We're gathering? I mean, somebody activated it. Oh, as I point to it, somebody activated it. Okay, so you guys are here? Hi, family. Of course, when I was about to end it. Hi, family. Hi. It's nice to see you guys again. Sort of see you. I mean, Catball see you. So Jacob, it's a good thing I remembered. It said I passed peacefully because we weren't sure. I mean, I know you died of an infant, not infant, but like ammonia, possibly, an illness, but you didn't suffer too much. So you were able to pass peacefully.
You are adventurous.
That's good, right? Actually, you know what? I should be more adventurous by getting out of the house. Not saying I don't want to hang out with this group here, but I do need to get going before things close. I know that I have to get somewhere before 4 o'clock. So it's already 2:30 past that time, actually. Hold on. I gotta switch over. Shoot, it is 2:30. I do need to wrap things up. Okay, here's the thing. Jacob, again, he is my grandfather's older brother who passed away at age 13. He died peacefully. And then his sister Alma is his younger sister, and of course my grandpa. So they might be here. And then Betsy and Peggy is the wives of my grandpa, Ray. And when it said, go over there, I unfortunately went over there. But it did say we're gathering. I don't know. So, cool. And it's funny how I point at it and it's like, light up. And no, it's not me. I'm not moving at all. It is definitely them. If it is them, maybe I can call out some other family members. Bertha? Is Bertha the mother here of those three? Bertha? Robert? Are you guys also here? Can you maybe light that cat ball up? Or maybe you can get the 3 to tap it for me to confirm you guys are literally all here. And if you're having issues, there's other 2 balls. Don't even bother with
Thumb screw.
Thumb screw? That's the first time I heard thumb screw. What the? Like sewing? Wait, hold on. What did... No, man. You guys are making me, what is that word? Google things. Thumb screw. Never heard of that. Oh, never mind. I don't want to know what that is. I don't think this is them. Let me just tell you, it's unfortunately a thing that harms people. Yeah. Ow! Ow! Oh, you guys Google it, okay? It's too much for me to show on this channel. You guys Google it. So basically picture torturing this thingy. Someone's torturing a humans with that type of thing. Ow! That hurts. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. That ow. Did anybody in my family ever get that?
Scarlet.
Scarlet. Is that you? Did that happen to you? You can tap a cat ball to confirm if it is, unless you're just saying hi. Okay, again, I'm going to go back if I can. So it's an instrument which was first used in the early modern Europe. But it is a torture type instrument. Ow. You guys, ow. And I don't think there is a scarlet. Oops, not scarlet, scarlet. No, there wasn't a scarlet, unless it's scarlet fever. Is someone referring to that they passed away due to scarlet fever? Ah, yes, someone died from scarlet fever. Wait, this one? Alan, did you pass away from scarlet fever? I might be onto something. Alan, at age 24, did you get illness that was scarlet fever? That's why it's not in the books? Torch.
Torch.
Whoa, what? Wait, hold on, what? Okay, what's going on here? Excuse me. Okay, so torch either refers to that one.
Sun.
Sun? What? Okay, here. What? Jacob? Jacob passed through scarlet? Wait, what is going on? Okay, either A, the children are having fun with me. I think the children are either having fun with me. Jeff? Hi, Jeff.
Jeff.
Jeff is here. What is going on? Before I didn't get any captivity, any cat ball activity. And now they're just either A, they're having fun and playing around with me, or they're trying to confirm and tell me something. And I'm just like totally like confused. So Alan, did you have scarlet fever? When was scarlet fever anyways? When scarlet fever happened in 1856? 1856, was that a thing? I mean, unfortunately, it can, yes. So, 1856, scarlet fever, also known as, was a significant public health concern, particularly in Europe and North America during a world pandemic that spread from about 1820 to 1880. So it is, okay, we just got confirmed how this one passed. At age 24, 1856, it was because of scarlet fever. Scarlet fever. Confirming? 1, 2, or they're like, energy is out. So it wasn't Jacob. It was Alan. Alan had scarlet fever at 1856. So your sister was able to avoid that by not getting contaminated. You guys were able to protect your other family members. And yes, scarlet fever is considered demonic in a sense because it was a pandemic virus that spread. And you just heard
Punishment.
Well, I wouldn't consider it punishment, but that thumb screw definitely was considered punishment. Jeff. Okay, here. This is, again, still going. What's going on here? Okay, you guys make this up, a story. But my theory is Alan, scarlet fever, made him pass away at age 24, 1856. At least I think he's trying to like, yep, that's me. And then unfortunately, there's many children that passed away during 1820s to 1880s in this cemetery. Can you confirm that there are other unfortunate children and young adults that passed away due to Amy Smith passed away from scarlet fever too? Amy Smith, I mean? Because she passed away at age 29, 30. Unless it was childbirth, like she was having issues where maybe she was having a child and didn't make it. I don't know. Well, Amy Smith, if you're here, did you pass away from some... Mom? Someone's calling out for their mom. Is this a child too coming out that got scarlet fever? Wait, Alan, are you calling out for your mom? Hannah, are you calling out for her? Or is there another child? Jeff? Jeff, are you calling out for your mom? You're the last name it popped through. So Jeff, are you one saying mom, young, maybe also scarlet fever? Okay, a child spirit though. Indeed, a child spirit. Said mom. Okay. So it said son. Okay, what is going on here? So it could be family playing. It could be that one and his daughter. It could be Jeff. It could be Alan. It could be many of these. Wow. This is an interesting thing. I was supposed to end like 10 minutes ago.
Ron.
Not run, but Ron. Ronald. Hey. Hey, Ronald. I haven't forgotten you. Is this your daughter? Say mom. That's hilarious. Wait, were you guys playing around again? At least maybe when it was going back and forth? Because that's what you guys did. You did pull, and it was back and forth. It was like you and your daughter were having fun. Maybe? I don't know. Or maybe it was Alan.
Likely.
So scooped. You guys heard me snort. Likely that, maybe. But again, can I have confirmation? Alan, if it's possible, EMF or cat ball, scarlet fever took your life at 8/24, 1856. Because again, 1820 through 1880, that disease was happening all throughout North America and Europe. I think he's confirming on EMFmeter. I think it took a lot of energy. Ron, do you need help by chance? Is your flashlight not doing it? Oh, okay. He's like, help me. Okay, there you go. I fix you. That's funny. Alrighty. Just when I have to get going. Again, the place is closing. I'm probably getting summoned, but I have do not disturb, and she's probably like, hello, 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 and I'm like, no, not yet. Not saying she's not going to contact me, but I do need to get going if I want to take care of some stuff. I believe they close at 4. All right, any last words by anybody, from family members to Alan to Ron, to the children? And one last go on these cat balls. I will bop it as a sign off, and you guys.
Possessed.
Possessed. I mean, yes, Ron is kind of like attached or possessed to the flashlight. Hopefully you're not possessing me. Oh wait, you know what's interesting? It is Scarlet with a 1 T, not 2 T's. This one had 2 T's.
Woman.
Woman. A woman was possessed? Somebody possessed a woman? Hold up, wait. So again, Alan, I realized Scarlet was 2 T's. It's actually a name. Were you trying to let me know that you passed away due to scarlet fever, but it came up as a name? Okay. Is there by chance also a woman named Scarlet that's possessed? No. Okay, but there is a woman that's possessed. Me?
Jones.
Jones. Jones? Oh, okay. So Jones is possessed? A woman with the last name Jones, or maybe the first name Jones? I don't think there is a Jones, by the way. That's too past that time. Yeah, too past that time. Yeah, no. No, neither. All right, again, I got to get going if I want to make this trip to go somewhere before they close. I'll also have to text people and make sure they're still able to come with. Sounds good, right? All right. So you guys can have fun while I'm gone by playing Four Corners. I won't be able to hear you. Otherwise, let's try again another day. So I want to say thank you to all the spirits that have come, inform the names of who they are. Alan, again, a huge thank you for coming and joining. Ron, thank you for confirming that you're still here. And again, it could be scarlet fever that took this one. Alan, Ballou. There is no unfortunate death certificate. Empathy. There is no physical death certificate that I did see, but I might do some digging a lot later in the time when I have more time, in case there is. Hi, Ron. I know, I see you. So, if you want to say bye-bye, I'm going to do my cool sign out. I'm going to tap this ball, and maybe you could tap one of these balls at the same time, or roughly right after it. Okay? Sound good? Children, spirits, Alan, family members. All right, here we go. I'm signing out. This is Detective Lazaria signing out.